Hello lovelies, hope you're all doing good. I'll be showing us how I make one of the hairspray I use on my hair. Rosemary and fenugreek seed. Why I do not make this often is because I do not like the smell of fenugreek, and fenugreek really helps the hair to grow properly. It adds shine to your hair and even makes your hair thick. I use a tablespoon of fenugreek seed and rosemary leaf. I use rosemary dried leaves. Pour in a container. Add hot water. I used a cup of hot water. Shake the mixture very well. Then let it cool off. Then I sieved it. You have to shake it very well before you sieve it so the whole ingredients go enter properly. Pour in a spray bottle and it is ready to use. I use a little quantity because I do not want it to be for more than a week. If you store it, you can also store it in a freezer or a fridge. Well, I advise you do it for just 1 week. I feel if it's more than 1 week, it begins to ferment and you might not like the smell of the fenugreek. It smells like curry when it stays too long. So I decided to do something different with this video today. So I took my hair down. This hair is 3 weeks, 3 weeks old. And I spray it in my hair properly. You spray everything in your hair, the quantity you want in your hair. Because my hair is in a mini twist, I do not want to make my hair to be dripping on my body. Massage your hair very well, but do it gently. Don't rough handle your scalp, please. And you are not fighting with your scalp. Massage it properly. Make sure every part of your hair take part of the goodness that you are adding to it. Massage your hair properly and just be patient with your hair. This is what is left of the herbal oil I made. This is a mixture of different herbs that I've been putting online and different herbal oil that I've been posting on my videos. I added it on my scalp to seal in the spray because one thing with this water, it dries off quickly. So I added oil to seal in the moisture that I've added to my hair.